Hey man, look at my glasses, bro. It's on rocking out, bro. 3 pieces. You want me to cut them?
Yeah, I want you to cut them.
With what knife, Zach? With what knife?
If you want to. But the one right behind you would be a good place to start.
Alright. Right now, guys, we're doing installation on the roof. As you guys can see right now, got the cuts. Go to walls, we gotta fill in. We just did ceiling. We just did the whole ceiling. Then he just did this whole wall right here.
Alright, DJ.
What you need, Zach?
I need
The staple gun. When it comes to anything that we do, this is Michael Jordan. Don't start with the Michael Jordan. He said don't start with the Michael Jordan, I just start with Allen Iverson. I'm Allen Iverson today. The answer. Michael Jordan is the problem. Allen Iverson was the answer.
alright, I was like, oh no.
Michael Jordan, baby. MJ. MJ with it. Fourth video, plumber school installation. Okay, so the R13 is for the walls, vertical. Then we got the R19, it's for the ceiling, horizontal. The staples. Oh yeah, these ain't staples, I'm tripping. But we got a staple gun. We done used up a lot of packs. A lot of packs of, what is this? Fiberglass. So we got fiberglass all on us, so we're gonna be itchy. Tell them we're gonna be itchy, Zach. This for the YouTube video, the installation video, bro. This video might hit 100,000 now. Telling Zach this video gonna hit 100,000 installation. You gotta cut around. Zach just cut around the outlet. You feel me? Cause he the GOAT. Telling you Michael Jordan, bro. Hey, Zach said he Michael Jordan. He said, what are you? If he's Michael Jordan, what are you? Michael Jackson?
Calm down.
Hey, bro. Installation video. We just did the whole ceiling, twin. The whole ceiling and that wall over there. Now we doing this wall right here. Doing this wall. Doing this whole ceiling, twin. Feel me? And it's the drywall sheetrock that's going over that. And there you have it, ladies and gents.
I said so, that's fine.
Installation.
If you think you can get it, go ahead. Let me get the gravels here for you.
Installation, G. The drywall is gonna go over. Installation, see what I'm saying? And we just did that. Video, Trish, tell them about the installation we doing, twin. Tell them about the installation we doing.
Password.
You said what?
Patchwork.
Password.
That's what I'm doing right now.
You said password.
Patchwork.
Oh, patchwork. As y'all boys can see, I'm almost done. Get the installation right here, twin. Walls and the inside. Say, twin, if you're new to the channel, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new. We got more plumber, carpentry, electrician work coming soon. So hit the like button and subscribe. Okay. Tell them we got more videos coming. You need this? All right, man. Zach, tell him we got more carpentry, electrician, and plumber work coming for him. Tell him we got it all coming.
Like forced lines. Things should just come natural.
At the box shit, official with the chopper, crack it down just like a lobster. If a nigga ever fuck my bitch, salute, I never knock. I'm rich as fuck, can't do no regular drill, slide in a helicopter. Couple niggas that weren't supposed to be in the picture, had to crop them. Niggas stop playing like I want pop. The day I ride, I keep my